these auxiliary offenses and liability, yeah. Conspiracy to violate Section 1503 can only be prosecuted under the general conspiracy statute. Yes. Money laundering, predicate offenses. Those who aid and abet the offense are liable as principals and punishable as if they committed the offense. An individual knows that another has committed a Section 1503 offense and nevertheless assists the offender in order to hinder his capture, trial, or punishment is in turn punishable as an accessory after the fact. There's nobody in the state legislature that realizes that each and every one of you can be arrested and sued for being accessories after the fact. Well, I emailed the state legislature probably hundreds of times. Yeah. What don't you stupid fuckers understand? Well, these conspiracy statutes, yes. This protection order where there's a forgery, there's fraud, there's no signature of the petitioner, yes. Quite possibly she herself, Heidi Lee Budnick, didn't motion the court to issue it, yes. Where I was not given any actual notice or the opportunity to be heard, yes. Where the state said if I have a problem, you can just motion the court, that's my only remedy. Does every individual in the state of Washington's legislature understand right now? I will imprison the whole state fucking legislature. An individual who knows that another has committed a Section 1503, yes, uh, punishment, you're all accessories after the fact. You know, when you really look at it, I'm a federal witness, yes, retaliating against a federal witness. 18 U.S. Code 1513. Congress outlawed retaliation against federal witnesses under Section 1513. At the same time, it outlawed witness tampering under Section 1512, prohibiting apply a witness in judicial, congressional, administrative proceedings. You know, when I email those that are federal employees, Washington, D.C., FBI, those in the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, and National Guard, yes. And I document that you violated my civil rights, the civil rights of my sons, and the civil rights of the petitioner, yes. And then you did that from 2011 until right now, yes. And then you arrested me for crimes where I wasn't in the city of Sequim, right. And then you had me arrested for failing to appear because the request of the judge was that I was supposed to explain why I wanted to reschedule a mental health evaluation. And then you issue one of these mental health evaluations where I'm mentally incompetent, and then you arrest me again? Coach, how it can be interpreted as not retaliating against a federal witness? I sent 2 million emails. I emailed sheriffs in every county. I emailed governors, secretaries of state. I emailed federal employees, coach. I emailed those in the executive branch. And you don't think it's retaliation against a federal witness? You don't think I'm a witness? I am a witness. I told you about the informant laws. I told you about the whistleblower laws. And I told you that what you're doing is against the law. And for every one of those that happen to think they're fucking smart, retaliating against me as a federal witness of the United States of America, making up bullshit crimes where I wasn't in that city, not admitting the evidence, yes. Requesting my presence in court without a notice from the state, saying that I had a failure to appear when I didn't fail to appear. You failed to give me notice. Violating my attorney-client privilege.